What is the temperature inside a refrigerator? Choose the more reasonable answer. So both the options that are given to us have the same magnitude, which is 40 degrees. But what really makes a difference is these letters at the end of the magnitude, or at the end of this option. So we have F, which is Fahrenheit. Now it's easy to guess since we're talking about temperature. So F is Fahrenheit and C is Celsius. Now this F and this C, both of these make a lot of difference, because if we compare both of these temperature scales, that is essentially what they really are. They're temperature scales. I can say that water freezes at 0 degrees centigrade or Celsius. That's common knowledge. But if I now want to rephrase this, and instead of using the Celsius scale, I want to use the Fahrenheit scale, I'm not going to say that water freezes at 0 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm instead going to say that water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So 0 degrees Celsius and 32 degrees Fahrenheit are the same temperatures. The magnitudes might not be the same, but the temperatures are the same. So if water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius, I can say that water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, keeping that in mind, let's compare both the options that we have. So we have 40 degrees Celsius and we have 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Now when we say 40 degrees Celsius, the picture that we have in mind is of a hot arid place, because 40 degrees Celsius is generally the daytime temperature in most deserts. And as we know, deserts have a reputation for being hot during the day. And what we're talking about here is the temperature inside a refrigerator, which is not hot at all. Therefore, this option is not reasonable. So the only reasonable option that we have here is 40 degrees Fahrenheit.